Welcome to a Nantucket Atheneum Digital Services tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about Libby, which is the app for Overdrive, our ebook and audiobook provider. As you can see on your screen, this is an app that's provided either through Google Play on your Android device or the App Store on your Apple or iPhone device. It's free to download, and all you need is your library card to access it. Once you log into Libby on your phone or mobile device, this is what it looks like on the main page. At the top, you can search for a book. In the top right corner, you can access your account information. And on the main page, there will be collections suggested for you, either based on items that you've previously checked out or anything that's being advertised, maybe for a holiday or special event. At the bottom of the page, it will say library on the left side and shelf on the right side. This means that you can toggle between the two, library being our collections and shelf being your personal checkouts and holds. This is a really easy way to move around the page and not get lost, and you can always find where your loans live, and that's a really great option for a lot of people. So if you click on shelf, it will take you to the page where all of your loans, holds, and tags exist. Loans are items that you currently have checked out. Holds are items that you would like to check out in the future and that you're on the wait list for. And tags are books that you've marked that you either want to read in the future but you don't currently want to check out or place a hold on. This main page of the shelf will show you what you're reading now, and it will tell you when it is due. In this case, my book is due in 13 days. So if you click on loans here at the top, it will show you all of the items that you have on loan. Right now I'm currently reading The Shadowland, and that's why that appears here, but I also have Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them checked out. This is also due in 13 days, and I can manage the loan by clicking on this link, and I could check it back in early if I wasn't interested in reading it anymore. At the top, you can click on Shelf again, and we'll go to the Holds area. In the Hold section, you'll also see items that you have on your wait list, and it will give you an estimate of how long that wait list will be. In this case, The Historian is about 2 weeks, and Sword of Destiny is about 8 weeks. Don't be deterred if the waitlist seems rather long. This book may be popular, but it also might be that we don't have a lot of this particular book in our collection. But we do monitor that, and if a list is very long, we will purchase more books to add to the collection, and the waitlist time will go down. You can also manage your holds on this page, and you can cancel them or decide to hold off and delay the hold as well. So we're going to go back to the library section here at the bottom, and this is where you can search for books and browse collections. If you click on Explore, this will take you to a number of different collections that have been curated by Overdrive and Libby, and including things like what's new, what's popular, and what's available. If you click on what's available, it will only show you items that you can currently check out and you don't have to be on a waitlist for, which is a really great option for a lot of people. There are more options on this list, and if you were to scroll down the page, you would see that you can browse a lot of different genres and collections, which is a really great way to find books if you don't know what you're looking for and you don't want to place a search. Up here at the top, there is this little Libby icon. She's a little character that has a bow in her hair. And if you click on that, it will take you to your account information, including the library cards that you have attached to your Libby account. Right now I'm using my Clams library card, which is my Nantucket Atheneum card, but I also have connected accounts with the Minuteman Library Network, Boston Public Library. You can add other libraries to your collections. Anything in Massachusetts, in terms of their consortium networks, can be added just using your Clams card. But if you're from Oklahoma and you live there 6 months of the year, you can also add your Oklahoma library if they subscribe to Libby. You can add a library here, put in that library card number, and be connected to those online collections. To leave this menu, you go up here to the top and click Hide, and we're back to the main library page. You'll also see that there is a Preferences section. If you click on that, it will take you to a number of different options that you can change, and this will affect your searches. So if you search for a book at the top of the page, you can change your preferences to any format, or if you only want ebooks instead of audiobooks, you could click on here and choose ebooks, and that will only bring up those materials when you search for something. You can also choose language, audience, compatibility, availability, and sort by whatever feature you'd like to see the most. Availability is a really great feature to change in your preferences. Right now it says everything, but if I clicked on this, I could choose Available Now, and that means that I'll only see search results that have items I can read right away. This is a basic overview of Libby. If you have any questions, please contact the library, and we hope you enjoyed this digital services tutorial.